What if I told you that in the next 12 months you could be working on the game-changing technologies, designing integrated circuits for the smartphones we all use, or even the self-driving cars of tomorrow? Sounds exciting? That's right. That's exactly what you will be doing with the Postgraduate Diploma in IC Design from IIT Bombay. You'll not only gain the skills you need, but also earn prestigious IIT Bombay Diploma, which is a game changer for your career. So in this video, we are diving into an incredible opportunity for tech enthusiasts who want to fast-track their careers in IC design, the backbone of modern electronics. You'll spend 12 months learning directly from the renowned IIT Bombay faculty, tackling real-world projects and gaining hands-on experience. But wait, there's more. You'll graduate with IIT Bombay alumni status, giving you instant credibility in the tech world. So how does this program help you land a high-paying job at top companies? Let's break it down. Before that, first let's understand why should you consider this program. Let me tell you. IIT Bombay alumni status. So when you add that name to your resume, you are not just adding credibility, you are gaining access to a worldwide network of tech professionals. You'll also gain real-world learning. You'll get hands-on experience with tools like Synopsys and build projects that mirror what you will be doing in the industry. You'll also have interactive sessions with professors who are leaders in the field of semiconductor and VLSI design. Then, this program connects you with the top recruiters. It will help you polish your resume and even offers career services to give you that extra edge. But why is IC design such a big deal right now? Well, the semiconductor market is booming and it's expected to be worth $707 billion by 2025. That's huge, and it means companies are hiring IC design engineers, VLSI designers, and RF engineers faster than ever. Big names like Intel, Nvidia, Qualcomm, Google, and even Siemens are on the lookout for skilled professionals in IC design. So if you're wondering about these salaries, here's what you will expect. In the US role in IC design, it can pay anywhere between $80,000 to $120,000 a year depending on your experience, and it can go even higher. And in India, the salary ranges between 8 lakh to 18 lakh per year for positions in semiconductor design, depending on the company and your experience. So this program is designed to equip you with the right skills needed to compete for the high-paying positions. Let's take a look at the skills you'll gain in this program. IC design. You'll dive deep into both digital and analog design. You learn how to model semiconductors, design RF circuits, and get hands-on with CAN devices and mixed signal circuits. Advanced tools. You'll use the industry standards tool like Synopsys to analyze and optimize your designs. Skills that top companies are eager to see on your resume. Real-world projects. You'll work on projects that mirror the challenges and tasks you'll face in the real-world industry. So you'll be fully prepared for your job search when you graduate. So how does this program help you achieve your goals? Let's talk about how this program really helps you level up. First off, earning your IIT Bombay alumni status isn't just a nice addition to your resume. It's like a golden ticket that opens doors to some of the biggest companies around the world. Next, you'll get exclusive networking opportunities with access to IIT Bombay lateral hiring group. You can directly connect with the recruiters from the top tech companies, which means more chances of job opportunities. And don't worry about the job hunt. The career support team is here for you every step of the way. From polishing your resume to making you prepare for the interviews, they'll make sure that you're fully ready to land your dream job. You'll be one of the radar of the top global companies hiring for skilled professionals in IC design like Intel, Nvidia, Qualcomm, Google, Siemens, VMware, just to name a few. These companies are actively recruiting for roles in VLSI design, RF design, semiconductor modeling, and many more. So are you ready to make the leap? Here's how you can get started. Very simple, you can just submit your applications, fill out the simple online application form, reserve your seat, get shortlisted, and confirm your seat. Start learning. You can pay the registration fee and you're all set to start your journey with IIT Bombay. So are you ready to kickstart your career in IC design? This program is more than just learning. It's about gaining the skills, network, and prestige you need to land a high-paying job at top global companies. The IIT Bombay alumni status alone can boost your career to new heights. So click on the link below to download the syllabus, talk to an advisor, and apply now. Your future in tech starts today.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.